In question 13, we're showing 3 different types of animal cells: epithelial cells, mature red blood cells, and muscle cells. And we're asked which of them can be found as part of a tissue. Tissue clearly referring to the biological definition, which we'll get to in a moment. So, generally speaking, all cells within the body find themselves within this hierarchy of cells to tissues to organ systems. And that's where tissue finds itself, as one step up above cells. By definition, a tissue is a group of cells. That's what places it in the hierarchy above cells. They're all of a common origin, and they perform a specific function together. So, given that pretty much every cell within the human body finds itself within this hierarchy, indeed any cells should meet this definition if they are organised to perform a specific function together. So let's have a look at our 3 options. Epithelial cells obviously are found in skin and lining various organs, and they obviously are found in groups and they perform a specific function. So we can say epithelial cells, correct. Red blood cells, now this is obviously the trickiest one of the 3 because unlike epithelial cells and muscle cells, red blood cells are not physically connected to each other, but they are nonetheless a group of cells of a common origin that perform a specific function, so we can say that red blood cells are found as part of a tissue. Moving on to muscle cells, as we said before, they are found grouped together, they are of a common origin, and they do find themselves within this hierarchy. So it's just the red blood cells where you might trip over, but as long as you have the definition and these 3 key facts in mind, you won't be tripped up. So red blood cells, or indeed white blood cells, are found as part of a tissue because they're grouped together to perform a specific function. All 3 of our options are correct, and therefore our answer is going to be option H.